Imagine you're sipping a cup of hot coffee. As you watch the steam rise, the shape might remind you of something. So what does a cup of coffee might remind you? Obviously, if you're a trader, you know the answer. It is a stock chart or a chart pattern. So in this video, we're going to learn about the cup and handle chart pattern. Yes, you heard it right. There is a chart pattern called as the cup and handle pattern. The cup and handle pattern is a classic technical analysis formation that can be a valuable tool for traders seeking for potential trend reversals or continuation patterns. So what are we going to see in this cup and handle pattern? So obviously the name itself says we are going to see the cup and we are also going to see the handle. So at first we are going to see the formation of the cup. So this cup usually is going to be in a U shape, as you can see in the picture. So if you see a price in a U-shaped curve, it basically represents a period of consolidation. So basically in this pattern, at first you are going to see a U-shaped consolidation which might last up to weeks or months. So after the formation of the cup, you are going to see the formation of the handle. So basically what happens at this particular pattern, a price will consolidate in a U shape and it tries to break a certain level which we call it as a neckline, but it fails to break that particular neckline after U-shaped consolidation. Then we are again going to see a rejection and again we are going to see another consolidation phase which we call it as a handle. So this handle could be of any sort of consolidation phase. So it can be just a normal consolidation, a sideways range bounded consolidation, or it could be a ascending triangle consolidation, or it can also be a descending triangle consolidation. So it could be any sort of consolidation after U-shape. And the duration of this handle formation is typically shorter in duration compared to the cup. So this is how basically the cup and handle pattern looks like. So this could be a solid example for continuation cup and handle pattern. So you can see the stock is in an uptrend and it goes to a consolidation phase where it forms the cup and handle pattern. And when price breaks above the consolidation phase, then you might be able to see a continuation of the trend. So this could be the classical example of a continuation cup and handle pattern. And this could be the example of a reversal cup and handle pattern. So you can see the stock is in a downtrend and the price consolidates in the form of a cup and handle, and after the breakout you can see a complete reversal. So this is a decent example for a reversal cup and handle pattern. And one of the mistakes that most of the traders make is memorizing the pattern rather than understanding the psychology. And another mistake is waiting for the picture perfect pattern. You'll never get a picture perfect pattern. In real market, it's always messier and imperfect. So if you wait for a picture perfect pattern, then the odds of you getting those patterns are extremely low and you'll potentially miss out 80 to 90% of your trades. So let us see some examples so that you can understand how cup and handle forms in the real market. So in this chart you can see the stock is in an uptrend and you also see a U-shaped recovery. So after the formation of cup, you will see the handle, and in this case the handle is a descending channel consolidation. So after the formation of cup, you can see there was a consolidation phase and that consolidation phase was a descending channel. And the price where it got rejected multiple times is your important neckline. And once that important neckline is broken, then you might be able to see a rally towards upside. So this is how a cup and handle might look in the real market. So let us see another example for cup and handle. So here you can see the stock is in an uptrend and again you see a U-shaped recovery or a U-shaped consolidation phase, which is basically your cup in the cup and handle pattern. And obviously after the formation of cup, you must see the handle. So in this case, the handle is an ascending triangle. So the price was in an uptrend, you saw a U-shaped consolidation and again the price got rejected and you were able to see another consolidation, which in this case is an ascending triangle. And the price where it got rejected multiple times is your important neckline in this cup and handle pattern. And once that important neckline is broken, you'll be able to see a good rally towards upside. So these are the few examples of cup and handle pattern. So now let us see another example in Angel One web application. So now you're on the Angel One web application and you're able to spot the ICICI Bank chart. So what you can see here, the stock was in a downtrend and after that you can see the stock made a U-shaped recovery, which is basically the cup in your cup and handle pattern, and again it got rejected somewhere around here, which is your important neckline. So you can see the price broke this important level and it made a rally towards downside and it made a U-shaped recovery, and once again it gets rejected at this level and here you are able to see your handle. So in this case, the handle is a descending channel. So I told you the handle could be of any sort, which could be an ascending triangle or it could be just a normal consolidation phase. So in this scenario, it is a descending channel, and once you were able to see a breakout above this important resistance level with a huge good volume, you were able to see a good rally towards upside. Do not expect the pattern to be picture perfect and do not try to memorize it. Instead, try to understand the psychology behind the pattern. And I usually prefer the cup and handle pattern in a higher time frame like 1 week or 1 day, and I also recommend you to look at this pattern in the higher time frame, which could be at 1 day or 1 week. So in the upcoming videos, I'll be making a detailed video on where should your potential entry be in this cup and handle pattern and how should you manage your risk in this particular cup and handle pattern. And I'll also make a detailed video on how to identify this cup and handle pattern in the live market. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.